You're not broke because you don't work hard. You're broke because you do. You trade time for money, but inflation steals it before you even see it. You pay taxes like a good citizen, but the rich? They legally skip most of it. You're stuck in a system built for them, but you're playing by rules made for you. Hard work isn't noble. It's a trap. The rat race doesn't end with speed. It ends with strategy. Stop chasing income. Start chasing assets. Most people believe hard work leads to success. Sounds true? Looks true. But it hides a brutal lie. Hard work makes you tired. But assets? They don't sleep. The guy flipping burgers pays 30% in tax. But the guy who owns the building? 0. You admire the grind, but the wealthy admire leverage. This video isn't about hustle, it's about escaping. Inflation is quiet theft. Every rupee you save today buys less tomorrow. Your salary rises slowly, but prices rise daily. You work more hours, but your lifestyle? Still stuck. Why? Because your time is a liability, not an asset. Your job is taxed, but capital gains? Often taxed less or deferred. You buy cars, gadgets, EMIs, thinking they're assets, but they drain you. Meanwhile, someone else's rental property pays for their vacation. Your sweat builds someone else's freedom. That's the game. You don't need more money, you need different money. Stop trading hours. Start owning outcomes. Rich people don't work harder. They just own more stuff. That works for them. Stocks, royalties, real estate, digital products, each one a soldier, earning without your presence. You want freedom? Buy back your time. You want peace? Let your assets pay your bills. Tax smart. Use companies. Use trusts. Keep more. Grow faster. But here's the irony. You were taught taxes are patriotic. You were told saving cash is smart. But saving cash is like saving ice in a volcano. You were told school leads to success, but school never taught you money. They taught obedience, not wealth. They gave you the rules, but the rich? They had a different rule book. Here's the truth. If you don't own, you're owned. If you don't leverage, you're leveraged. Money doesn't respect effort, it respects intelligence. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, just not for you. Not unless you flip the script. Not unless you stop worshiping the grind. Your goal isn't to work harder. It's to work less while earning more. Your time is sacred, so stop selling it cheap. Every moment you stay unaware, someone else profits off your labor. Want out? Start small. Start smart. Your next step is smarter habits, not harder hustle. Watch the next video. Kakebo, the Japanese saving method that could change everything. It's time to make your money serve you.